In today's episode, we are going to be talking about Manta Network and the Manta price prediction because this particular cryptocurrency is definitely going to change a lot of people's lives. The current market cap of Manta is 626 million US dollars, and I really believe that it is going to be as explosive as Celestia. So Celestia has been making a very big impact with regards to its new technology, and this particular technology, the modular blockchain and its ecosystem, is absolutely going to explode in 2024. So if you compare Manta and Celestia, right, the market cap is obviously very different, and this is one of the reasons why Manta is definitely going to make you bigger gains at this particular moment because the market cap is way smaller than Celestia. However, Manta has got a lot of similarities to Manta with regards to its price trajectory and the support that it has. Okay, so Manta was recently on the Binance launch pool, and Binance is actually investing heavy, and this is one of the reasons why Manta didn't have any problems with regards to listing on the Binance exchange. And of course, you know that Binance exchange is one of the biggest and most powerful cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. So this is one of the reasons why a lot of people are beginning to take interest and they are observing the price of Manta. So if you take a look at the trending coins today, right, Manta is obviously number three, and Manta has got a healthy trading 24-hour trading volume with regards to the overall markets, because it has got a 24-hour trading volume of about 164 million US dollars, which is a very good one. So if you look at the trajectory of Celestia, right, Manta has got some sort of similarity because the listing price of Celestia in November 2023 was around $2, $2.24. So if you take a look at Manta, right, the listing price on Binance was, or rather, yeah, recently was around $2.13, $2.08, and we've been going up very strong. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why I am inclined to believe that for the people who are going to be waiting for the price of Manta to drop really significantly before they get in, I don't really think that opportunity is going to come, because there's a lot of people waiting to sort of invest in Manta. And if you take a look at the solutions that Manta is bringing to the table, obviously there's going to be way much more demand. So a lot of you might be wondering and asking, why do I really believe that this particular price point is as good as it's going to get? Anything below $2.70 is a very good bargain, and it is a very great entry, especially if you're going to be holding Manta for the rest of 2024, because the OTC, the over the counter price of Manta has been $2.40. Okay, so let me just read you something that was written by On-Chain Research. This guy is a very good researcher. He's on Binance Square. So if you guys don't really know anything about Binance Square, it's basically some sort of blog type of situation on Binance. So here's something that I wanted to really talk about, because these are the different um facts and considerations we really get to overlook, because the over the counter, the black market, is going to tell you where the value is at. Okay, so currently the Manta is traded on OTC markets such as KuCoin's OTC or black markets at around $2.40. Okay, so this was obviously written before Manta started trading on Binance, before the official launch of Manta on Binance, and the over-the-counter demand and valuation of Manta was around $2.40. So this is one of the reasons why the markets won't let the price of Manta really trade below $2.40. And if you take a look at the current price, right? $2.45 in comparison to $2.40, where a lot of buying power, a lot of purchases were done. I'm sure the people who were purchasing Manta before it got released to the general public at around $2.40, they are not going to be selling their Manta anytime soon until they make some sort of profit off of it. However, if or when the price of Manta does happen to go below the price of $2, I mean, whatever you do, just buy a whole lot of it, because this particular cryptocurrency is absolutely going to be super explosive. So now, doing our own technical analysis, right? Because we cannot sort of make our decisions based on speculation and whatever data that um, is considered to be OTC or black market data, right? We're supposed to use our own analysis. So according to the listing data, ever since Manta was listed on Binance, right, we would say that fair value exchange with regards to the price was around $2.25. This particular red line right over here, this is where most of the trading action happened. So if or when the price of Manta is going to drop, right, we're obviously going to see a lot of gravitation towards the $2.25 area, and then potentially here we get to bounce. The only funny situation that might happen is if the price of Bitcoin ends up really dumping hard. If the price of Bitcoin dumps super, super hard, right? Of course, we're going to have a situation where the price of Manta is going to wick below the listing price of $2. It could end up going to $1.90, but that would be a very quick week, and we're going to sort of bounce back very, very fast, and it's going to happen at a very supersonic, ultra fast time frame, and you guys are not really going to end up accumulating your tokens. So the best thing that you can do is dollar cost average. So we do have these particular price points that are very important, which are the $2.40. That was the black market, aka the KuCoin over the counter price average threshold. So obviously there's a lot of bag holders at $2.40, and the price is just going to be going above that particular threshold. And the Binance price threshold, which is very, very, very important, is $2.25. This is according to the listed price, and this is where the price of exploded to new heights, and now we're beginning to range. So if at all we end up going to $2.25, or even below that, it's gonna be a very good opportunity for us to sort of get to invest in Manta. So my price projection with regards to Manta is we're definitely going to be as high as Celestia. Celestia right now is around $2.4 billion evaluation, and Celestia is going to be over $10 billion in the next coming 3 months, guaranteed. So Celestia could be over $100 in the next coming few months, and Manta is also going to be over 5 billion US dollar valuation. But as it stands right now, I really believe that a 3x from now, which is going to roughly give us slightly below $2 billion evaluation as far as Manta Network is concerned, is a very feasible and it's a very conservative price prediction. Okay, so anyway, I'm not really going to talk about the fundamentals because you guys already know that Manta is obviously dealing with the zero knowledge type of situation with modular blockchains, and there's quite a lot of stuff. So let's just get to read and explore the Manta network. So Manta network is a layer 2 blockchain that serves as a gateway for zero knowledge application. Manta utilizes the latest technologies from zero knowledge EVM to modular to establish a new paradigm shift for layer 2 smart contract platforms. Okay, so with regards to the tokenomics of Manta, as you can see right over here, right, the total circulating supply, or the total supply, is 1 billion US dollars, while the circulating supply is only 251 million US dollars. So in this 251 million US dollars, this is where the airdrop token recipients were allocated to. This is where the people that were early investors also sort of for the four in this particular category, the 241 million US dollars. So with regards to them, to the inflation and the unlocking of new tokens, we're going to find out what particular criteria and time frame these guys have, and then we're going to adjust appropriately. But as far as I'm concerned, we are safe for the next coming 3 months. I mean, for the first quarter of 2024, at least there isn't going to be any token on ramping or unlocking. There isn't going to be any much inflation going on as far as on offloading new supply to the market is concerned. So at least for Q1, we are slightly safe. Okay. So, what are the use cases of the Manta token? Number one, it's going to be used in the DAO, the Decentralized Autonomous Organization. It's going to be used for staking, and there's also going to be network fees. It's going to be the native liquidity and collateral token for the Manta network. So, as far as staking is concerned, right, obviously Manta has or does have its own ecosystem. Okay, these guys have got a lot of projects that are going to be wanting to develop on top of them. So just like Celestia, right? Celestia is the one that's using this particular model. So as far as Celestia and its ecosystem is concerned, right, a lot of people are staking Celestia, and that really makes people less likely to sell Celestia. And this is also going to happen to Manta, because Manta has got its own particular ecosystem and other projects that are relying on it. And this is one of the reasons why there's gonna be more and more people holding and buying Manta network. So I really believe these guys know the pumpamentos. They know exactly what to do in order for them to sort of incentivize people not to be selling their tokens. And this is definitely what has been helping Celestia. Is going to help Manta as well. Okay, so I think that's about it. I'm not really going to do much of the breakdown of Manta, because that could be another video on its own. So basically, I just wanted to talk about the price prediction as far as Manta is concerned. So please let me know in the comment section below what your price prediction for Manta is, and what are you guys doing? Did you participate in the airdrop? Were you one of the recipients? Did you farm Manta on the Binance launch pool? So yeah, drop all those comments in the comment section below. So in summary, I really believe Manta is a 10x project anytime soon, and I really believe that it's gonna be way over 2 billion US dollars by the end of Q1 2024. So this is a very good addition to your portfolio. Is absolutely in the new upcoming hot niche, which is the modular blockchain technology. And it's going to be one of those insane performers in 2024. So let me know in the comment section below what your thoughts are with regards to Manta. So do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kindly smash the like button right now, because it does help me gain a little bit of traction on my YouTube channel, and it does get to help me spread the information. So if you found this informative, helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on all post notifications, and I will probably talk to you a little bit later. Bye, and have a blessed day.